Good morning. This is Teacher LM and welcome back to our math class. All right, so yesterday we studied number 30. Do you still remember how to spell number 30? Okay, so let's spell together. So 30, I spell Thirty. 30. Okay, so this morning class, we are going to learn how to spell and count number 31. Okay, so this number is 31. Let's count together how many hearts are there, class. All right, so everybody count with me. Everybody, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So how many hearts are there, class? There are 31 hearts. All right. So now let's get to know the spelling of number 30. Everybody, 31. Let's spell together. 31, I spell Thirtyone. 31. Okay. Right. So here, find and circle number 31. Okay. So let's circle and find number 31. Let's see how many 31 are there in this screen. Okay. Let's have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 731 in this screen. Okay, good job. Now, class, let's spell one more time number 31. Okay, so everybody, let's spell together. 31, I spell Thirtyone. 31. Okay, great. So I hope you know now how to identify number 31. Okay, so again, this is Teacher LM, and I hope you have a nice day. See you again this afternoon, class. Goodbye.